In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox backup code for two-step verification. Let's start this tutorial by opening Roblox website on your computer using a browser and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and select Settings. Next, go over to the Security section and click it. Now in here, you need to set up first a two-step verification. You can either use an authenticator app, email, or hardware security keys. For now, we'll be using an authenticator app. You can use the suggested apps by Roblox. Turn on the button, and then you need to enter the code sent to your email address, then click on Verify. Now, you can scan the QR code using your Google Authenticator, or you can click this test right here for manual entry. As for now, I'll be scanning the QR code. After that, it should give you the 6-digit code and you need to enter it here and click on Verify. Wait for a while, then it should give you your backup code and you need to keep it by writing it down or take a picture of it. After saving your backup codes, then click on the box I've saved my backup codes, then click on the Close button. Next, you can scroll down and look for the backup code section and you can generate new backup codes, but the previous codes will become invalid. And that's about it.